HD Brows is a bespoke eyebrow treatment carried out every 4 to 6 weeks. We start by applying a custom-made tint on and around the brow area to enable fair and fluffy hairs to be picked up. We then go on to creating your desired shape by waxing away any unwanted hairs. The next step is threading. This is carried out to define the brows and to remove short hairs that may have been missed with the wax. If by this point there are still a few hairs left to be removed, we do so by using tweezers to pluck. Any unruly hairs will be trimmed before finishing with light makeup using HD Brow products. Here, Brow Tech Vamp and Highlighter is used for a defined finish.